Hello students, today let us learn about aldol condensation, and this occurs due to the presence of alpha hydrogen where aldehydes and ketones having at least one alpha hydrogen undergoes a reaction in presence of dilute alkali, that is NaOH or KOH, which acts as a catalyst to form beta hydroxyaldehydes, which is also known as aldol if the reactant is aldehydes, or beta hydroxyketones, that is ketol, is formed when the reactant is ketones, and this is known as aldol reaction, and further removal of water molecule is called as aldol condensation. Aldol condensation is also known as self-aldol condensation, or it is also known as simple aldol condensation. This is so because in examples we are going to take two molecules of aldehydes and two molecules of ketones of the same type. Therefore, this condensation reaction is called as an aldol condensation or self-aldol condensation or simple aldol condensation. To understand more specifically, let us take an example, that is ethanol and ethanol of the same type. So, in the presence of dilute NaOH, or we can also take KOH, here NaOH gets splits into Na plus ions and OH minus ions. Here the OH minus ion will always abstract a proton from one of the ethanol molecule, where the CH3 now becomes as CH2 minus, where the carbon is having negative charge over here, and this negative charge will always attach to the carbon atom, which is positive charge, that is carbonyl carbon. And now this carbon is having 5 bonds, which is not possible. Therefore, the bond between CO will shift towards an oxygen molecule as a charge. Therefore, we get this structure as CH3CO minus H, and here this H I have written here, and this CH2, because one of the hydrogen has been abstracted by OH minus ion and it has been formed as an water molecule, which is eliminated. So now CH2 C double bond OH is formed, which is an intermediate, and in presence of an H plus ion, that is an acidic medium, the O minus ions will always abstract a proton, that is H plus. And now you will be getting an aldol product, that is 3-hydroxybutanol, and upon heating you will be removing OH and H plus from the adjacent carbon atom, where this bond will fall between the two carbon atoms and forms as a double bond, and remaining all the groups is retained same as from the aldol structure. And this process after removing the water through heating is called as aldol condensation product.